Hi, so I shared that I was going to give a closer look when I had my IKEA Billy bookcase cabinets organized and in order, and keep you updated on all the little changes and the progress. So let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life, and these are my IKEA Billy bookcases. You guys did ask me if they're built in. They're not. They're the standard bookcases you just get at IKEA. I just got lucky that they went right up to my molding and the measurements, and so that is what made me go for it. At the top, these are the extender pieces on top, and then the rest is just the standard tall bookcase. So we will start with my first bookcase, and at the top, actually the top of all three of them, I have my Disney Dooney bags, and it used to just be filled with more of my collection I was sharing with you guys, like Disney collection and such. And so it's nice now to have my handbags and my Disney handbags out to kind of see and possibly utilize more. And then more here are the Funko Pops, which also go across all three of the bookcases, and I had really downsized probably like 70% of those. And then this is all Beauty and the Beast, which is my very favorite. And then the next little shelf, more like Beauty and the Beast and different little collectibles. And then this is my little tool case that I've shared, little toolbox I've shared before. It's from Lowe's. And then I just have some little like pen cases and little zip pouches, like little ones. So when I'm looking for a little one for something, I have them right here in this drawer. And the little Nico Neko that I added to the front here, that's from your shipping. When they ship you something, that's on the box. So I've cut that, and I've cut that one, and I've added them for my different shipping packages. And I keep my other little stamps here as well. And then lower, I have some books. Most of my books are in my front room on the bookcases, but these are sort of my creative books. And then I shared my little cafe coffee house before. And I do want to tell you, the one little kitty in the back on the table, it comes with the little cafe you build, but the cats carrying the rolls are not. I added those guys in there. Let's see, there you go. I added them inside. Okay. They're from like little blind boxes. Okay. And then my Jane Austen Funko Pop, along with just like more little organizers and scrapbooks and things that I can easily get to now. And then the middle bookcase, let's see, at the top I have like my vintage monorail, which I just love, more Disney Toonies, and most of these, probably 95% of these, are Funko Pops with some additional Hello Kitties, and then Pusheen and a couple Sanrio, Tuxedo Sam. He was like my favorite as a kid. And then more of my Disney collectibles. I really love the Disney cats, and Beauty and the Beast are my favorite, but I love some Mary Poppins. And I shared a little closer look at my Kingdom of Cute series 1 and 2. And I added in a little disco ball the other night, so in the evening it really is so cute in here. And then more Disney Doonies. And I turned these ones sideways in order to get more in here. And my roller skates. And my vintage sewing kit. So all these things I can really get to easily, but then up above, see all my little cute collection. And these have been collected literally for decades. even the Hello Kitty, I would say this last what? Some of them I have that are not Funko Pop. And then the Funko Pop, probably over the last 5 years. But other things have been collected over like the last 20 years or more. And then on this side, I have some more of my Disney Dooney, more of my Funko Pops. And again, I gave up probably like 75% of those. And one of my favorites is my Magnum PI. He's just so cute. And he's next to Princess Diana, another Mary Poppins. I love it. Lotso, one of my favorite guys. All right, another Mary Poppins in the corner. And then Bambi, really super sweet and cute. And I love the castles. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my big castles that were on top of my hutch. I'll pan over and show those guys to you here when I'm almost done. This is my Beauty and the Beast little glass tree, and I just decided I'm going to keep it in here. It's just so cute. I don't want to put it away. A part of it got broke, and so I had to re-glue that, so I really don't want to put that away. Love the teacup with the characters. That is from a Kingdom of Cute item. And then when I was a little youngster, I worked at Disney, well, early 20s. And my attraction was Splash Mountain, my main attraction. And so my brother made me this sign with his 3D printer and painted it. So I tend to love Disney Splash Mountain. And then these are still my badges from when I worked at Disney. And I got this little like trophy, well, everyone did with their name on it when I went to a special event with my husband, one of his events. And then like watercolors and some watercolor supplies and things like that here that I can easily grab. I got a little broken character I got to glue. More craft supplies and organizers and such, and the little toolbox has my oil paints and photo stuff and just all kinds of goodies that I can easily grab at now. Let me share with you really quick. These characters here are also designed by the same person that did the Kingdom of Cute, and these are called the Happiest Crews, and they're all small world characters. And so I have the whole little set of them, but I don't have them all together anymore. They're just kind of mixed throughout my shelves. All right, and then a little Carol K-Pack Buzzy Bee hanging out up there. And then Dumbo. I like all the little Dumbo things as well. And then I have a really cute special Dumbo that is part of the Kingdom of Cute line as well. And my friend Robin always gets me so many cuteness things. Robin, I got that from her a few years back, or a couple. Okay, and then this little crown I'm really hoping to get some pictures with Thomas and Mousie with the crown on. And that is my little collection. Look at these guys. They just look like they are having a blast. I love it. The plates, a little champagne. This is a Disney popcorn container. That was something I released a lot of, is my popcorn containers. I kept a few. This one here, the teacups, this is also one of the Disney popcorns. Okay, so let me pan and show you. The dots on the wall are from the disco ball on the cat tower. I'm gonna pan around, bing, bing. Some of those from the disco ball, and then this is from the castle lights that I added. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my castles. My castles are just like a favorite. I don't know where I'm going to put them. I don't know if any of them are going to end up fitting on the top of there or if it will even look right. So we'll see. I might be posting those available. So, okay, there is a little look. I will show you guys real quick something very unusual. Monk. Hi, Monk. Monk is in today with me. Monk is my one of my outdoor cats that you guys usually would see him in the garden with me. But we have, let me pan around, a little kitty who, there he is, a little kitty who's been like wounded. See the little lights? A little kitty, he's wounded, and I've been caring for him, and he's hanging out, and Monk and him are not friends. So Monk gets to be in the house while I care for the little kitty. We call him Tuffy because he looks like a little Tuffy, the little kitty outside. Okay, sorry. So that is my closer look on my IKEA Billy bookcases and my hutch, and Miss Pac-Man will be leaving my office probably today or tomorrow. So I'll keep you posted on all the changes that are coming for here. So stick with me. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd love if you guys gave it a little like and subscribe so you can follow along all year, and we can share together, and everything you guys put in the comments I answer. So I appreciate that, and I will chat with you soon. Happy New Year.